this is what this is what I've earned in the last 3-4 years. Love from everyone. Lots of it. Like, by the way, one thing that I want to say in today's vlog is that I am so thrilled that Mini World Automotive has joined hands with Queen's Drive Club. And in celebration of International Women's Day, we have come up with this Mini Cooper Drive, where I have some old members and new people who have come together. We are all in shades of neon and hues, and we are going to have a day filled with fun, adventure, thrill, and a lot of companionship and sisterhood. So watch out for today's drive. Because I saw her post with her. She was driving a Mini. I asked her. She haven't done it. Oh. I just Shweti, that's my YouTube vlog. Say something. So tell me, what do you think about Queen's Drive Club?
I think it's a brilliant initiative by you, Ritika, and I'm all for the support of this drive, and I'm so happy to be here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very nice, very thrilled, and very neon and vibrant today.
Very nice colors also you have. Which Mini is your favorite, ma'am?
The Mini Cooper S is one of my favorites.
Okay, and do you prefer electric cars or petrol cars?
Absolutely electric. That's what the future is, and I think it's really nice that we're going to be saving a lot of resources on it.
Very nice. How do you feel about QDC?
QDC has been a part of my life, I think, ever since it started, 2021, and I am so happy that there is something out there that is bringing out all the passion that I have for cars. And Ritika has been a fabulous driving force behind all our goals.
Can you give a message to all the girls who are watching this video?
The only message that I can give you is that drive safe, drive well, and prove the men wrong that women cannot drive, because we drive like insanely crazy and we drive very safe.
Very happy, and I'm all too excited. Finally, my Mini is being utilized to the best. I'm all excited, wearing neon, with everybody wearing neons all around. It's bright, and our colors are adding more to the whole vibe of this drive.
Lovely, ma'am. So how long have you been a part of QDC?
It's my first drive here.
It's your first drive.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about Queen's Drive Club?
Oh, very nice. I've been wanting to be part of it for quite some time, but my daughter is around 2 years,
okay,
so I couldn't join any earlier.
All right,
so I'm all
right.
happy and excited. Finally, I can step out, and be part of such drives.
Hi, ma'am. How are you feeling today?
It's been fantastic. Somebody is celebrating us.
Very nice. Which one is your favorite Mini car?
The one I drive, of course.
And which
Mini
one is
Cooper
that?
S.
Would you prefer an electric car or a petrol car?
When we talk about Mini, we talk about power with adventure. So I prefer the Cooper S and JC Cooper, the one with the exhaust. Gives you an amazing thrill, you bet.
Very nice. So what is one message that you want to give to the girls who are watching this video?
I would only say, why should boys have all the fun? When we talk about supercars, the first idea that comes in my mind is men's. So if you drive a Cooper, or you drive a Scorpio, or you drive a BMW X1, you're driving a car, and it's definitely meant for women. I drove all the way from Jaipur to Delhi to be part of this event. So when it comes to fun and adventure, women are no less.
Hi, ma'am. Very nice to see you here. How do you feel today?
I'm feeling very excited, and I'm with Ritika from the very first ride.
Wow.
Today I'm here for the Mini Drive in all vibrant colors and full for full fun.
Very nice of you, ma'am. Which mini is your favorite, by the way?
I have a club Med,
Alright.
but I like the coupe.
Okay, okay, of course, of course. So, do you prefer electric cars or petrol cars?
Electric is the future.
So, as you told me, you've been a part of QDC since the first drive. So, how do you feel about the Queen's Drive Club?
She's doing a fab job. You know, getting all the girls together on a Sunday morning. It's really a nice job. Yeah.
Very nice, ma'am. So, can you give us one message to the girls who are watching this video?
Everybody should come and join this.
How long have you been part of QDC?
I've been part of QDC since last 1.5 years and the journey has been amazing. Ritika is so sweet, such a sweetheart. I love her.
So nice of you, ma'am. Do you prefer electric cars or petrol cars?
Seeing the environment situation, I feel electric cars are more convenient.
Alright. How do you feel about QDC?
I think it's a very great platform to empower women, and it's amazing, you know, it's breaking the stereotype that driving the supercar is only for boys. Now it's for girls as well.
Very nice, ma'am. So the last question,
Yes.
what is one message to the girls who are watching this video?
Girls out there, if you are afraid of driving the supercar, this is the sign. Please get off your home and just drive your piece.
Thank you.
I love to hear your stories during the day. But the idea is to just talk, share ideas, share experiences, and this is just the beginning, right? We'd love to go beyond. We'd love to know what excites you as individuals, as people, and then do more of these meetups as they go by during the year, right? Roshi will just quickly take you through a couple of things that are planned for the day, and we take you forward from there. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. 3 cheers for me. Yay! Thank you so much. You'll have so much of footage coming your way now in the future since you're all appreciating it. So quickly, what do we have over here? You see there's a mini collection over there. So please feel free to pick up whatever you like. There's a special offer today, especially for the Women's Day. Go for the pass. No? That's a good one. The little key she had that put it all together. Even more vibrancy and life to what we were planning of doing. So thank you, Rupa.
But you all always put in so much effort, and it really means the world to me. It's only because of your support that I'm able to even do such collaborations, and it gives me the confidence to do such collaborations. So thank you so much to each one of you for doing this. And I really want to say thank you to Mini Bird Automotives that you joined hands with Queen's Drive Club, and to today and for Women's Day you acknowledge each and every queen in all parts.
Absolutely. We love the, vibrancy and the color. And the PRM everybody is brought in. So, thank you so much.
Yeah, the only one thing is our. So let's just make the most out of it, have fun, enjoy our drives, but keep the rules in mind. Let's not break any rules, have a good time, and we all have come together with a common passion for driving. So let's just enjoy that, share our stories, and make the most out of today. Yeah.
Now very quickly on the Palmward, that's the most important part. So a Jeep and for you here and fill in wherever it is required. So all your cars are numbered. You'd see a small sticker on the Vishi and the back window of the cars. So A1, A2, A2, A4. So that is the sequence of the convoy. Every car will also have a walkie-talkie. So on a particular channel, already tuned on a particular channel, so the walkie-talkie will also have instructions wherever needed. In case you are lost or you out of the convoy, there will always be a Google Map location. Otherwise, in case worst case scenario, we have to follow the convoy in case we get lost. Rosiac NH8 is where we're going. So put it on your Google Map and
Not the Aerocity one, but the one just to be absolute.
yeah. But the idea is let's have let's turn the head in style to all to be very stylish. The cars are stylish. Let's go in the convoy. Like make the head. Taji, do you want to add anything there?
You already, so my name is Adeep. Good morning, I'm Craig. coming, all of you, especially, and I think she already covered everything. So just small things, just follow the 30 rules. That's more important. Secondly, me and my team is already there. So Abhishek is going to lead. He's going to lead car. Me and P was going to be the rail. So anything, anywhere, if you lost somewhere, if you any kind of help you need, we are on the channel number 2. You can just convey the message. We're gonna be
channel is please just sex please do not touch
country. So country.
Right.
The red car is punishment, red color. So please follow that red car. Otherwise, just make sure the car in front of you and car at the back side of you. So make sure you're all going in same.
It's just 30-40 minutes drive. Nothing, you just enjoy it.
We are girls from Delhi. We came.
Somebody will take care of you. Okay, so now before we leave, let's have a quick picture around the car, the red car. So we'll all gather around the car. We have a few froths, so that all.
Really excited to go for the drive.
Which one is your favorite mini car?
Well, I like the Mini Cooper convertible one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you prefer electric cars or petrol cars?
Now I prefer electric cars.
Okay. How do you feel about Queen's Drive Club?
Queen's Drive Club is somewhere you can just be yourself and have the time of your lives on a Sunday morning. And that's about it. Meet people, greet each other, have fun.
How long have you been a part of QDC?
I've been a part of the Queen's Drive Club since the start. Since the first drive, I'm here. And it's been a wonderful journey with Ritika.
Very nice of you, ma'am. So the last question is, can you give a message to the girls who are watching this video?
The message to the girls is, go grab your cars and get on the road because it's beautiful.
पर आई रिकॉर्ड होगी तो
तो वो एक तो vlog में होती भी है कैसे कर देगी भाई साहब
ये vlog में तो सब कुछ आता है
नहीं देख मुझे मिला उसको अच्छा कलर मिला मुझे क्या अच्छा कलर मिला अब क्या सारा तो नहीं केला
कहीं सोशल
See, red light. See, Mini Coopers are meant to drive fast. सारी
गाड़ी घेतलाय टोटो.
Mini Cooper बड़ी highlight में मांग रहा है.
कौन सी शादी में हम?
I feel empowered and sexy.
Very
It's
nice.
the first day of March. We are starting the Women's Day month with the Queen's Drive Club. It's a beautiful experience. We've all got together today with Mini Cooper, with BMW, and we are having a fabulous time. Thank you.
How are you feeling today?
Absolutely great. I was super excited already for this event, and it turned out to be the oompa.
So, which Mini is your favorite?
Basically, I love the convertible one. But since last my two experiences being with the Cooper S, my point. Totally
Nice.
loving it.
do
And
you-
Abhi, just while coming here, I drove the Countryman. I've already driven it on the Lulamna drive.
Okay.
So it was amazing. One of the best experience of my life. And again, I just drove it now. So
Alright,
ultimate.
So, do you prefer electric cars or petrol cars?
Obviously, I prefer petrol always over electric. I have driven the electric ones, but still the feel that you get with the petrol, that's the thing.
Totally. What do you feel about? How do you feel about the Queen's Drive Club?
This is my first time experience with Queen's Drive, and I'm totally loving it so far. So looking forward for more drives.
Okay.
in future
Just the
ahead.
last question. Can you give a message to the girls who are watching this video?
I would like more and more women to get inspired and join this Queen's Drive Club, because this is organized by Ritika, and I'm totally impressed with the initiative that she has taken for the women around. And it's a great initiative. Everyone should come and just join and have an experience of Queen's Drive Club.
I was about to say we're going to do green things, but then I decided not to. But yeah. Now, what is a closed terrarium? A closed terrarium is basically a glass container where you have plants inside it, and it is covered. Okay.
You answer this from my side. ये मेरे को हर occasion पे यही होती है. आज क्यों नहीं डालते? You think it's possible?
Yes.
No. You ऐसे तो मैं बाहर नहीं जाऊँ.
Feeling very good, thank you so much.
Which Mini is your favorite?
The Cooper, of course.
Okay. Do you prefer electric cars or petrol cars?
I'm getting the hang of electric cars. I think it's not bad, yeah.
Okay. How do you feel about QDC?
Oh, amazing. I think Ritika is the queen herself to be organizing such wonderful events, and something with automobiles and women, why not?
right? How long have you been a part of QDC?
More than a year, thanks to Ritika.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you give us a message to the girls who are watching this video?
Of course, the clear message is you're all queens, and why should boys have all the fun? Of course, cars are for us as well.
I am feeling awesome. Hi, I'm Ankita Gupta. I'm driving down from Rishikesh and I've been part of QDC from 3 years now. And I tell you, this club is doing phenomenal drives. It's like the only club wherein women get to drive their fanciest car on the road. So today we are driving Mini, and it's an event with the Mini Cooper in collaboration with, and trust me, it was a head turner kind of an event. So I am just feeling awesome about Women's Day as well and about this event. Thank you Ritika, thank you QDC for this wonderful event.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Just one last question,
yes.
A message to the girls who are watching this video.
Okay, I tell you what, just do whatever you want to do. There are no rules in the world to follow.
It's called By the Leaf. By the Leaf? Yeah. We do landscaping and terrain. Oh wow. See, did you hear? This is for my YouTube blog. Please tell about your brand. Hi. We are doing a terrarium activity. So we are trying to build a terrarium. And then we will take this home and give. So please tell us about your brand.
My brand is By the Leaf. We are into landscaping and terrariums. We've done both residential and commercial properties, and we make closed terrariums. Our terrariums are on display at 32nd and
Zoom into my terrarium is looking so pretty.
Yeah, very cute and small and very sorted. Rocky. Minimalist.
इसको और खुशबू seems to have all the knowledge about gardening.
A lot of not as good as Pro, but yeah, quite a lot of knowledge.
And Madhuri is like anyways a designer. Designer terrarium.
ये Picasso art है. Under.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Allow me to leave.
Thank you so much for coming.
Sorry.
Bothering you. I got your call tomorrow. Yeah. And send you. I love meeting and we must catch up. Next time it's the day when you're on the stage. I'm coming to meet you guys. And the fabrics are the darling, I'll do it. We'll be done. Don't you worry, we'll be done. We'll be done. Take a look. Take care. And that will be from my side. Thank you. See you. It means a joy, pleasure. See you guys. यही होता है जब हमारा ज्यादा ध्यान खाने में होता है लोग पांडास ले जाते हैं
करेक्ट हम पांडास बनने में बिजी थे लोग पांडास ले गए पांडास बनने में that was a good one
we planned a surprise birthday party it was very cool
they have come earlier also right
yeah they are friends मैं भी ऐसे मिट्टी हिला रही हूँ चॉपस्टिक से so I look like I'm doing something
oh my god
स्टार्टिंग में मुझे लगा कोई चॉकलेट डेजर्ट है वो फट पाई जैसा कुछ चॉपस्टिक टाइप कुछ रखा हुआ है